Hey guys, welcome back to another Solopreneur Finance Tutorials. In this video, I'm gonna compare MoneyGram and Western Union, two of the biggest names in global money transfers. If you're trying to decide which one is right for your needs, let's walk through the key differences. Step number 1. Fees. Both services charge based on how much you're sending, where you're sending, and the payment method. MoneyGram tends to have slightly lower fees when sending from a bank account. Western Union, on the other hand, may cost more, but offers more flexible payout options. Step number 2. Transfer speed. If you want or need your money there fast, then Western Union offers instant transfers in many locations if you pay with card or cash. MoneyGram is also fast, but depending on the country, it may take a few hours or a day for bank transfers. Step number 3. Global reach. Both services have massive networks, over 200 countries and territories each. However, Western Union has a slight edge in cash pickup locations, making it a bit more accessible in remote areas. So what's the takeaway? Choose MoneyGram if you're looking for lower fees and can wait a little longer. Go with the Western Union if speed and location flexibility are your top priorities. Now you're ready to make informed decisions when sending money around the world. Let me know in the comment section below which service will you use. And also, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.